all. I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today we are going to do English subject. Children, in previous video you had learnt A sound word with its related rhyming words, right? And then E sound word with EN rhyming words. Now today we are going to learn more E sound words. Are you ready for that? Let's go.
This is how we say the letter a. This is how we say it a. Short vowel a. B a d. Bed, bed. L a g. Leg, leg. N a t. Net, net. R a d. Red, red. V a b. Web, web. This is how we say the letter a. Short vowel a.
Now children, after learning E and rhyming words, now we are going to learn more E sound words. Now here comes our first word, and that is, but before that tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a bag. Now what is the spelling of bag? B E D. Bag. B says B, E says A, D says D. B A D bag. B E D bag. Next word. What is this? This is a key. Now what is spelling of key? K E Y key. K says K, E says A, Y says Y. K E Y key. Now the next word. This is a leg. Now the spelling of leg is L E G, leg. L says L, E says A, G says G. L A G, leg. L E G, leg. What is this? Yes, this is a net. What is the spelling of net? N E T, net. N says N, E says A, T says T. N A T, net. N E T, net. Can you see children, what is this? Yes, it's red color. Now what is the spelling of red? R E D, red. R says R, E says A, D says D. R E D, red. Now, and children, you have already learned this spelling in EVS subject colors topic, right? The next word. Children, where does the spider live? Yes, in a web. Now, what is this? This is a web. What is the spelling of web? W E B, web. W says W, E says A, D says B. W A B, web. W E B, web.
Now children, let's revise one more time. BED, bed. KEY, key. LEG, leg. NET, net. RED, red. WEB, web.
In your ELE book, open page number 18, and here E sound words are given. So let's read first. DE and den, HE and hen, PE and pen, ME and men, TE and ten, WEB web, LEG leg, PEG peg, BED bed, RED red, KEY key, NET net. Okay. First we will write the spelling of DE and den. Okay. D E N, den. One more time we will write D E N, den. In this way you have to complete the whole page. Now on the next page, rhyming words are given. E and rhyming words. DE and den, HE and hen, ME and man, PE and pen, TE and ten. So again, first we will write the spelling of den. D, E, N, den. One more time. D, E, N, den. In this way you have to write all the spellings. Now here ET rhyming words are given. First we will read the spellings. GET, get. Get mane milna. JET, jet. Jet mane jet plane, flight. LET, let. Let mane let me do the work. मुझे ये काम करने दो. MET, met. Met याने मिलना. NET, net. PET, pet. Pet माने पालतू. SET, set. Set माने arrange करना. WET, wet. Wet याने गीला. Now we will write the first spelling GET, get. GET, get. One more time. GET, get. In this way you have to write all the spellings. Now turn your page on the next page and circle the correct word and write it. See children, here picture is given and spellings are given and you have to circle the correct spelling and write here. So which picture is this? Yes, this is hen. HEN, PEN, DEN. So which is the correct spelling? You have to find out. Yes, this is the correct spelling. HEN, hen. So we have to encircle first. And here we will write the spelling of hen. HEN, hen. In this way you have to complete the whole page. Now on the next page, name the pictures. See children, here pictures are given. Okay, and you have to write the correct spelling of that picture. First picture is of net. And what is the spelling of net? NET, net. So here we will write the spelling NET, net. And in this way you have to complete the whole page. Now turn your page, page number 22. Match the words with the pictures. See, here pictures are given and here some spellings are given. And we have to match with the correct spelling. What is this? This is number 10. And what is the spelling of 10? TEN, 10. So here we have to find out where is the spelling. Yes, here it is. So what we have to do? We have to match with the spelling TEN, 10. So in this way you have to complete the whole page. Now on the next page, encircle the similar word. See children, one example is given over here. First we will read the spelling BAT, bat. And here you have to find out the correct spelling and encircle. You have to find out the same spelling. See, BAT, bat. Then BET, bat, BAT, bat and BED, bat. So which one is the correct? Which one is the similar? This one, BAT, bat. So we have to encircle. Now next, LET, let. Then here some spellings are given. LEG, let, 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 LAP, let. So which one is the similar spelling? Yes, LET, this one. So what we have to do? We have to encircle over here. And in this way you have to complete the whole exercise.
Now we will see how to write more E sound words in an English notebook. First you have to write the heading, E sound words. Now first word, which was the first word? Bed. What is spelling of bed? B-E-D. Bed. You have to write 5 times. You have to leave some space and you have to draw picture of bed. How to draw? Make 2 standing lines. Join with sleeping line down. On top make a small curve. Leave some space. Again 2 standing lines. On top leave some space and here you have to draw one sleeping line and here you will draw curves and make designs. And draw one pillow also. This is picture of a bed. Now we will write spelling of key. What is spelling of key? K-E-Y. Key. You have to write 5 times. And here you will draw a picture of key. Make one big circle. Inside make one small circle. From here make one big sleeping line. Small sleeping line. 2 standing lines. Join with sleeping line. Again 2 standing lines. This is picture of key. Now the next spelling is leg. What is spelling of leg? L-E-G. Leg. You have to write 5 times. Now here you will draw picture of a leg. Standing line,
small curve, sleeping line. Standing line, small curve, sleeping line. And here, make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And make a small curve. This is picture of a leg. Now the next spelling is net. What is spelling of net? N-E-T. Net. You have to write 5 times. And here we will draw a picture of a net. 2 standing lines. Leave some space. Again 2 standing lines. Leave some space on top and make 1 sleeping line. 1 more sleeping line. Draw standing lines. And then sleeping line. This is picture of net. Now the next spelling is red. You already know the spelling of red, right? R-E-D. Red. You have to write 5 times. And here you have to make a circle. And we will color in this circle red. Now on the next page, we will write spelling of a web. What is spelling of web? W-E-B. Web. And we have to write 5 times. Now we will draw a picture of a web. Make 1 standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, opposite slanting line, and join all this with curves. Now kids, tell me, who lives in a web? Spider. So you have to draw 1 spider here. Small circle, then big circle, 2 eyes, and you have to draw 8 legs. 4 this side and 4 this side. This is picture of a spider. And this is a web. In this way you have to do all these spellings in your notebook. Okay?